I love my playhouse. Yes! Slide on the
Hey, I'm Seth Johnson with Land House, and you are watching the Playhouse Build Series. The playhouse that I have been building over the past 2 years, yes, 2 years, has taken too long, is now complete enough for me to show you the final product. And later on I'm going to be doing a little bit more to make this thing polished, but for now the structure is complete. So let me take you around here and show you what all has been accomplished so far. Started off digging post holes for the support beams, and then I built a little platform underneath, and then for that, I built the base that's up under here. It's out of 2x6 construction. It has done quite well for us here. I made sure to put little triangular braces in here for extra support. Then, let's go inside real quick and I'll show you the framing that was done. So the walls are out of 2x4, and the little trusses I built are also out of 2x4. Hello!
Hello!
I'm gonna put this window in here, and then also I added vents around the top that uses a screen, so no bugs will be getting in from that way there. And then I built a little step system here, working very well. And I've got this little makeshift doorknob, which will have to be redesigned later, I believe. But it at least keeps the door closed for now.
Dad.
Uh-huh.
I didn't show someone before, like the slide.
Yeah, show the slide? Okay, go right ahead. Show the slide. I'm going to be dropping the slide height down at least 5 inches because it is way too fast. Show us how fast it is. Yeah. So I'm going to take the little platform that's here and put the slide at the bottom, and that should do a lot better. I'm not quite done with the painting, as you can see. Need to bring a brush in here and get these finer details. So the slide I'm going to drop down to here with a 2x12, I believe.
I want to show them. I really want to show them the swing too.
This swing too? So stay tuned to the next video after the Playhouse series here, where I show you how I built the swing set for the kids. It is actually working out really well. Okay, show me how high you can go. Whee! You're getting better and better at that, aren't you? One of the features that we have enjoyed the most so far is that I put hooks and rope under here for the hammock to go on, and so it's a perfect distance from here to the other corner, and we put our hammock in there. It's been really great to sit with the kids and swing.
Today we are going to set the hammock swing up.
Set up the hammock swing. So I know this thing is still in the works, especially the inside. We're going to finish painting it white, and then the plan is to add little tables that can fold down. Uh-oh, we left the dog inside. Hello, sir. And one thing I didn't show you is that the door is going to be one of those little French doors, or a Dutch door that opens up halfway. So the kids can still look out or get some good airflow. The window is double pane and should not have any problems. I may get them some little markers to draw on there. But anyway, yeah, we might do an extra window or two on the side, and then have like a little table that folds down. Tons of stuff that can be done here on the inside.
I like you guys in.
You locked the dog out? Oh, the poor little thing. All right, thank you so much for watching the Playhouse build. I will be updating you later whenever we get other things done here. I need to do trim work, finish painting, and then do all the fun stuff inside. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.